Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the speaker problem in your device Vivo V27. So if in this device speaker is not working or any other such speaker related issue, I will tell you how you can fix it. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video and learn how you can fix the speaker problem in your device.